whole box and put it in here. Now we're gonna bring it to the car. Alright guys, so obviously if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, we are getting a new exhaust today. Well, we got the exhaust. We're installing the new exhaust today. We're gonna get a cold start quick so you guys could hear what the car sounds like now. Then we're gonna drive over to my friend's house, and then he's gonna help me install this. So I'm super excited. So let's get this cold start so I can start heading over there. Okay, so it wasn't really a cold start because I went out this morning, so it's kind of like, oh my god, can we get some light in here? So it wasn't really a cold start, but that's pretty much it. The car's really quiet. If you guys didn't know, I have unequal length headers, I have Catless up pipe, I have Catless down pipe, then I have the stock Catback all the way back. Today, we purchased, well not today, I ordered it a while ago, but it just came in. Stop beeping! I got an Invidia Q300 quad tip Catback. It's pretty popular in the Legacies. A lot of people run them. It's a very nice look in the back. But I opted for this reason because it's one of the quieter options on the market. And as much as I want a Subi Rumble, I really don't want to be screaming down the block when I drive. So, with that being said, I opted for this because like I said, I already have, I'm Catless. I have the unequal length headers, so I'm kind of scared to buy like a very loud exhaust, a Catback. So I went with this. I watched some videos, it should sound really good, but we're gonna head over to my friend's house. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that my friend is Bait the V8, the black STI. That's all pretty much done up, like from top to bottom. He's gonna be helping me with the install today. His name is John Solant, for those who don't know. His name is John, follow him. I'll leave his Instagram, the link below. You guys can check him out. His car is super sick, he's a good friend. And he's gonna help me install this because all the stuff that I've done, I've never done a Catback. So he's gonna help me, we're gonna put it on, and obviously we'll get some sound clips. So let's head over now because I'm super anxious and we gotta go. So let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to John's house. He's helping me out right now. Here he is on the floor in all his glory. But got the parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. And yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, but he knows what he's doing, so it's gonna be fun. Alright, so car's up on jacks. I didn't film any of that. Here's the new exhaust, jack stands, John, and there's our old Catback. That's the stock. Fuck you, goodbye, see you later. And now we're just gonna install the new one and then get some sound tests. Pretty sick. Got anything to say? Yeah. First startup. You definitely hear it a lot more. Yeah. It warms up while I rev it. Do it again. Go ahead. One more time. Dark, but so the exhaust is installed. Shout out to John, help me out. Sounds good. We'll get some wraps in a second. We're just gonna or I guess I'm gonna clean up. But there's stuff everywhere. I don't know what to do with the old exhaust. I really don't know. Take it apart, shove it in there somehow. I might just go straight to a dump right now. But yeah, so we're gonna clean up now, and then we'll get some wraps, and yeah. I don't know why my two-step didn't work, but
sounds good.
It just kept going to red line. I was like, why is it doing that? Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the video. We just installed the Invidia Q300, for those who are wondering. The sound clips are unequal length headers, Catless up pipe, Catless down pipe, and now the Invidia Q300. So I'm super stoked with the way it turned out. I really didn't want something super loud. It has a good idle sound. It has a good Subaru tone, very low, very deep. And then when you get on it, it really opens up. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Like I said, I didn't want something that was going to scream. I think this is perfect with all the other mods that are on the car. Sounds really good. I'm super excited. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff coming up soon that's happening. One, we got some more JDM parts that are in, and they're going on the car soon. I actually filmed an unboxing of both the exhaust and the JDM parts, but it was all out of focus, so I'm not using that footage anymore. So look forward to the JDM install. If you could guess what JDM part, I'd like to hear what you guys think I got JDM. It's a JDM, it's a body part, but yeah, take a guess. Leave what you think it is in the description below. So we got that. We're setting up a dyno tune with VTR. That's Vinny 10 Racing. They're Queen Subaru Club sponsor. They're pretty known for their tunes, so I'm setting up a dyno tune to get Letty here pro tuned. So that's coming up. That's gonna be sick. Working on that. We have a cool little mod on its way that was custom made, so that's coming soon. Yeah guys, sorry I've been gone for a while. I've been working on a bunch of stuff. I've been working a lot. I've just been super busy, but I'm here, I'm back. We got the exhaust on. Super excited for, like, you know, you guys haven't had a video in almost 3 weeks now, so this will be a good video for you guys to come back to. I'm super excited. Shout out to John Solant again for hooking me up, helping me out with the install. I will leave his Instagram in the description below. Guys, check him out. If you guys don't know who that is, that's Big the V8. I have 2 video edits of him on my channel. We're pretty good friends. His STI is sick. Go check it out. Instagram below. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.